Use the timestamp in ActivInspire for documentation purposes within your flip charts. For example, the last time you updated a template or lesson. To access the timestamp, go to Insert, Timestamp. By default, the timestamp will appear with your most recent font preferences. From here, you may treat it like any other object. Drag it to move it, or select to access the options along the marquee handles. To apply the timestamp as an action to an object, go to your Action browser, second from the right within your browsers. If your browsers are not visible, go to View, then Browsers. Under Command Actions, select Timestamp, then Apply Changes. In presentation mode, a play icon appears when you hover over the object, indicating the action is live. You can also add a timestamp to all new flipchart pages created by going to File, Settings, then Flipchart Objects, and select Add Timestamp to all new pages created. Click Done when you have finished.